Recently, one learning method has been getting a lot of attention in language learning.
Do you know what it is? When it comes to learning Japanese, many people try to memorize vocabulary and grammar, but that takes a lot of time and effort. And honestly, it can get kind of boring. What about learning with anime? Of course, anime is fun. You can watch it for hours and it doesn't cost that much. But have you ever started watching anime to learn Japanese and before you realize it, you're completely immersed in the story? In the end, you just enjoy the anime and time flew by. So, what should you do instead? How can you save your time and effort whilst learning Japanese effectively? This is where the method comes in. It's called comprehensible input. But what exactly is comprehensible input? To help you understand it, we prepared 2 videos. So first, watch this.
これは石です。石を拾う。石を落とす。石を拾って投げる。
お、めっちゃ飛んだ。飛行機が飛んでるって言うんですよ。この空に浮かんでる白いものを日本語で雲と言います。Were you able to understand any of it? Probably not. And that's exactly the point. Now, watch this video with comprehensible input.
これは石です。石を拾う。石を拾う。石を落とす。で、石を投げる。で、石を拾って、投げる。
お、めっちゃ飛んだ。これ飛行機が飛んでるって言うんですよ。この空に浮かんでる白いものを日本語で雲と言います。Did it feel different this time? Even if you didn't know Japanese, you may have understood the meaning. Not every word, but more or less. That's comprehensible input. It's language you can understand with visuals, with context, with their situation. That's how children learn their first language, and that's how you can learn Japanese too. But there's one danger that can ruin everything. What do you think it is? It's actually simple. It's thinking, I already know this. The moment you think that, your brain stops paying attention, even if it's important. And that's when growth stops. So, even if you think you understood our videos, try watching them again. Every time you watch, you may notice something new. Japanese doesn't require special talent. What's really matters is continuing to get comprehensible input. That's why we've created many videos like this on our channel. So, if you want to experience Japanese in a more natural way, then stay with us. Let's experience Japanese together. Thank you for watching all the way through. We'll see you in the next video. Sayonara.